Yeah. So much to live for, true, baby. Well, let's not. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to cut my hair into a bob. First and foremost, I am not a licensed professional, and I'm going to show you all the things I did wrong and all the things you can do better because I want you guys to be better than me. Now, this is just me creating a video for TikTok, so don't worry about it. But you want to make sure that you have specifically hair scissors. Go to the supply store and get some hair scissors. Don't be like me. Be better than me, okay? Now you want to make sure you have a mirror directly in front of you so that you're able to see how much you're cutting. You want to start off slow, okay? Don't go all the way up to your neck and end up cutting it sideways. You don't want that to happen. But this is me cutting it at an angle, super duper excited because I finally got the chance to cut my hair. Now that I've cut it at an angle, I'm like, okay, now let me go ahead and try to do pieces by pieces so that I can make sure they're all the same length. Don't forget, make sure you have proper scissors. Like I said, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be like, girl, you did not have the right scissors. You had kitchen scissors. Actually, these aren't kitchen scissors. These are regular scissors, okay? Regular cutting scissors. But anyways, right here, like you can see, I'm trying to find the position to make sure that I'm able to cut it all the same. I thought the comb was going to help me, but for some odd reason, it just wasn't working for me. So though you see me using it right here, I don't end up using it all the way because it made it come out uneven, and I didn't like that. So watch how this comes out. I was like, no, this is not what I want. But once I started eyeballing it, I found it to be way better. So I just started cutting little by little to make sure everything ended up being even. Also, as you can see, I did a middle part because that was also easier for me. Other people do it differently, but on this end over here, I made sure to do it down the middle part. Once I got to the last bit of it, I got super duper excited because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm halfway done. Not more, but I'm halfway done. Don't forget to make sure to eyeball it. That's what I did. You don't have to do that, you know. I'm just one of those people. Hair grows back. If it don't end up being even, try it another way. Like, I that's just me. But we could be two totally different people. Hair grows back as normal, and it's bob season. So once I did that, I could not see the back at all. Had I had a mirror in the front and in the back, I would be able to, but I didn't. So I did end up having to let my husband help me with the back part of it, just so that I can make sure all around my hair was even. Some more. I feel like I could go shorter, but I'm gonna start off.
You actually probably could.
Yeah, I'm gonna start off right. Dude, don't do a lot. Just split that in half.
That's what I'm trying.
You got this.
Stop laughing.
You got it.
You're making me nervous, bro.
Once he was able to help me get that done, I was then able to do the other side. And this is me just making sure that everything is aligned perfectly, cut perfectly. I'm not missing anything. And yeah, Bobbiana. But yeah, y'all, so this is me in the back. That's when I realized, like, ooh, that middle back is not as short as the rest. And so I went ahead and pushed all my hair, well, half of my hair back to the front so that I can eyeball it to make sure like it is all even. And that was when I was able to get it all correct. But yeah, y'all, it's super duper easy. You just need mirrors, scissors, combs. Have fun with it. Relax. Don't be tense. Because if you're not relaxed, it's just going to mess up the whole process. I was in, you guys. I also needed to cut my hair because I had a lot of dead ends. And I just felt like, yeah, it seemed as if my hair was growing, but I just wanted it to be healthier. But this is the finished product. I did end up adding some clip-ins. If you need help demonstrating on how to do your own clip-ins, definitely let me know down in the comments. I also have a link in the description for Amazon clip-ins that I used on Amazon. Y'all, I love them. I actually have been using these clip-ins for about 7 months now, and they have just done wonders. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you want more videos like this, definitely let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I do post a video, you'll be the very first to see it.